Have you ever wondered how the world's most dangerous predators become high-end luxury fashion? Today, we take you inside a hidden facility where massive 50-foot giant pythons are processed. Viewer discretion is advised. This footage is not for the faint of heart.
The process segment 1. The journey begins as these colossal reptiles arrive at the facility. Some of these pythons weigh more than 600 pounds. Inside, specialized hydraulic machinery is used to carefully separate the skin. Preserving the intricate natural scale patterns that make each piece unique. The process segment 2. Once removed, the skins are submerged in a series of chemical treatment tanks. This critical preservation process prevents decay and softens the tough scales. The air is thick with chemical fumes, and the sheer scale of the operation is overwhelming. Final finishing. In the final stage, advanced dyeing and finishing techniques transform the raw skins into luxury materials used for designer handbags, boots, and accessories. It's a chilling yet fascinating transformation from one of nature's most feared predators into a global symbol of status and fashion.